शुभ सकाळ विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आजच्या या ऑनलाईन तासिकेमध्ये आपले स्वागत. चॅप्टर नंबर 2 यापूर्वी आपण चॅप्टर नंबर 1 लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल्स कंप्लीट केलेला आहे. त्यानंतर चॅप्टर 2 क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन वर्ग समीकरण. बिफोर स्टडीइंग द क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन वर्ग समीकरण शिकण्यापूर्वी थोडक्यात वर्ग 9 मध्ये आपण पॉलिनॉमियल बहुपदी हा भाग अभ्यासलेला आहे. व्हॉट इज द पॉलिनॉमियल? दॅट इज terms are one or more terms, three or more terms in the expression or polynomial is called, that is the polynomial. Clear? So therefore types of polynomial, that is types of polynomial. Number 1, linear polynomial. Linear polynomial, that is linear polynomial means linear ratio बहुपदी. That is ax plus b is the general form of linear polynomial. Ax plus b is the general form of linear polynomial. For example, that is 3x plus 7. 3x plus 7. Here is a and b are real numbers and x is the variable. Here is 3 is the coefficient and 7 is the constant polynomial. Is the coefficient, is the variable, 7 is the constant polynomial. Number 2, that is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, that is general form of the quadratic polynomial is that is a square plus bx plus c. For example, that is 2x square plus 5x plus 7 plus 7. A square plus bx plus c, 2x square plus 5x plus 7, that is a square. Here highest power is 2. A, B, C are the real numbers. So therefore is the quadratic polynomial. त्याला वर्गीय बहुपदी असे म्हणतात. बरोबर आहे. For example, 2x square plus 5x plus 7, 2 is the coefficient of x square, 5 is the coefficient of x, and 7 is the constant polynomial. Number 3, that is cubic polynomial. Cubic, that is cubic polynomial. That is general form of this cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Now example of this cubic polynomial, that is 3x cube plus 5x square plus 7x plus 9. Here 3, 5, 7 are the coefficient of x cube, x square and x, and 9 is the constant polynomial. त्याला स्थिर बहुपदी असे म्हणतात. आणि जनरल फॉर्म आहे ax cube plus bx cube square plus cx plus d. हायेस्ट डिग्री is 3, so therefore cubic polynomial. त्याला घनीय बहुपदी असे म्हणतात. आणि number 4, that is biquadratic polynomial. By means of simply polynomial, that is 3 or more terms, is said to be polynomial, and hence that is general form of this polynomial ax raised to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e is the general form of biquadratic polynomial or simply polynomial. And for example is that is 5x raised to the power 4 plus 7x cube plus 9x square plus 2x plus 7. 7 is the constant polynomial, and 5, 7, 9 are the coefficient of x raised to the power 4, x cube, x square and x. These are the, that is types of polynomial. हे झाले बहुपदीचे प्रकार आणि त्यानुसार त्याचे प्रकार आपण ठरवलेले. यावर आधारित याचे कोएफिशिएंट आणि व्हेरिएबल अशा प्रकारचे आपल्याला आयडेंटिफाय करता येतात. यावर आपल्या बुकमध्ये, पुस्तकामध्ये, टेक्स्ट मध्ये एक ऍक्टिव्हिटी दिली आहे, पेज नंबर 31. यू हॅव टू कंप्लीट ॲट होम. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, वर्ग समीकरणाचे प्रमाण रूप, स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म, दॅट इज ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Before, that is ax square plus bx plus c, and here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is the difference between them? यातला दोघातला फरक काय आहे? तर ax square plus bx plus c is a polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. The meaning is that is difference in between. Here is one side, here is two side. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore is said to be equation. त्या ठिकाणी दोन्ही बाजू बॅलन्स असतात, त्याला समीकरण असे म्हणतात. आणि ज्याच्यामध्ये फक्त एक आणि एकच बाजू असते त्याला पॉलिनॉमियल म्हणतात. त्याला काय म्हणतात? पॉलिनॉमियल एक्सप्रेशन. a square plus bx plus c is the polynomial expression, and a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation because of LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore, a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of quadratic equation. Quadratic ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of quadratic equation. बरोबर, is the general form of quadratic equation. वर्ग समीकरणाचं सर्वसाधारण स्वरूप आहे. that is a b c are real number and x is a variable. X is a variable with index with power 2. Maximum power is 2. A, B, C are real number and x is a variable with power 2. Maximum power is 2. Is the general form of the equation. Now I have to define as, that is in the equation involving only one variable and having maximum power or index is 2. In the equation involving only one variable and having maximum power or index is 2 is called quadratic equation. So therefore is the definition of a quadratic equation, is the general form, that is quadratic equation. So therefore again a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of quadratic equation also. So therefore for example 2x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 is the example of quadratic equation. 2x square plus 5x plus c is equal to 0, that is where a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 6 is equal to 0. So therefore that is comparing with, find the value of ABC, comparing with a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Find the value of ABC. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 6 is the value of ABC. Now to complete the activity in your textbook on page number 31. 31 पानावरती तुम्हाला ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी कंप्लीट करायची आहे. त्या ठिकाणी एबीसीच्या किमती शोधायच्या आहेत. ठीक आहे. त्याच्यानंतर नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, that is a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of quadratic equation. is general form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of quadratic equation. That is number 1. When c is equal to 0, then in the equation, that is ax square plus bx is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. Is the quadratic equation. Is the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. Number 2, that is when b is equal to 0, then that is ax square plus c is equal to 0 is also quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Number 3, that is when b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 0. When b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 0, then that is ax square is equal to 0 is to quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. जर समजा ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of quadratic equation, where that is a, b, c are real number, and where a is not equal to 0. Then when c is equal to 0, ax square plus bx is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. When b is equal to 0, then x square plus c is equal to 0 is also quadratic equation. When b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 0, then ax square is equal to 0 is 2 quadratic equation. And number 4, that is when a is equal to 0, then bx plus c is equal to 0. Is a quadratic equation? Yes? No, is not a quadratic equation because of highest exponent, highest order, highest index is not 2. So therefore bx plus c is not a quadratic equation. Is not a quadratic equation. Bx plus c is equal to 0 is not quadratic equation because of highest index is not 2 but variable 1, but is a linear equation. Is a linear equation. अशा प्रकारच्या समीकरणाला सुद्धा आपल्याला काय म्हणता येते मग वर्ग समीकरण असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल फर्स्ट एग्जांपल a square 3x square plus 5x is equal to 0. Second example, a square plus c, that is 9x square plus 60 is equal to 0. Number 3 example, a square is equal to, that is 25, a square is equal to 0. And number 4 linear equation, that is 3x plus 8 is equal to 0 is not a quadratic equation. Is not quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. ठीक आहे. तर अशा प्रकारची उदाहरणं आपल्याला देता येतात, आयडेंटिफाय करता येतात. ठीक आहे. धन्यवाद. Now decide which of the following are quadratic equation. Decides which of the following are quadratic equation. खाली इक्वेशन दिलेले आहे, हे quadratic equation आहे किंवा नाही हे ठरवायचं आहे. Decide. That is number 1, 3x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. We have to definition. The equation involving only one variable and maximum power or index is 2. Then is said to be quadratic equation. Now see here, by definition of a quadratic equation, 3x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. That is here maximum index is 2 and variable 1, only one variable x. That is x is where x is only one variable. X is only one variable and maximum index or power, maximum power is 2. So therefore that is given equation is the quadratic equation. Is the quadratic equation. Clear? अशा प्रकारचं उत्तर लिहायचं आपल्याला. X is only one variable in this example. X is only one variable and maximum power is 2. Hence given equation is the quadratic equation. Clear? Now second example, Second example, x plus 2 x minus 5 is equal to 0. Such type of example not that is say clear quadratic or not, because of here is x, but the multiplication of two bracket here. Now first way to solve it. फर्स्ट सॉल्व इट. याला सॉल्व करायचं. सॉल्व केल्यानंतर आपल्याला लक्षात येईल क्वाड्रेटिक आहे किंवा नाही. सो देअरफॉर सॉल्व इट. x मल्टिप्लाइड each term x square minus 5x now plus 2x minus 2 into 5 that is 10 is equal to 0. So therefore x square minus 5x plus 2x म्हणजे minus 3 minus 10 is equal to 0. Now see here, x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Yes, is a quadratic equation because of that is here in this equation x is only one variable and maximum power is 2. So therefore given equation is the quadratic equation. अशा प्रकारचे आपल्याला उत्तर मिळत आहे. ठीक आहे. नंबर 3 that is m cube minus 5m square plus 4 is equal to 0. m cube minus 5m square plus 4 is equal to 0. Here observe that here index is 3, degree is 3, त्याची कोटी त्याचा पावर इथे आहे 3 आहे. सो देअरफॉर is not a definition of a quadratic equation by means of whose index is 2. Here is index is 3. So therefore given equation is not a quadratic equation. That is m is only one variable, but that is power maximum power is not 2, that is 3. Maximum power is not 2. So therefore the given equation is not quadratic equation. That is said to be, that is the determination or decide which of the following are quadratic or not. तर दिलेल्या समीकरणामध्ये त्याचा घात जर 2 असेल, एक व्हेरिएबल आणि घात 2 हायेस्ट पॉवर 2 असेल, त्याला आपल्याला क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन असे म्हणतात. त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त जर असेल तर त्याला क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन नाही असं म्हणता येईल. दॅट इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ डिसाइड वेदर ऑर नॉट. क्लियर. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, रूट्स ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बाय मीन्स ऑफ सोल्यूशन ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. वर्ग समीकरणाची उकल कशाला म्हणतात? रूट्स ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. रूट्स मीन्स उकल, सोल्यूशन. रूट्स ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, वर्ग समीकरणाची उकल कशाला म्हणतात? द व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ गिव्हन इक्वेशन आर सॅटिस्फाय द इक्वेशन. द व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ द गिव्हन इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय द गिव्हन इक्वेशन आर कॉल्ड, दॅट इज द रूट्स ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. दिलेल्या किमतीने दिलेल्या समीकरणाचे समाधान जर होत असेल तर त्याला काय म्हणतात? त्या समीकरणाची उकल आहे असे म्हणतात. समाधान म्हणजे काय? समाधान याचा अर्थ गणितामध्ये दोन्ही बाजू इक्वल करणे. LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS. LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS त्याला म्हणतात सॅटिस्फॅक्शन, त्याला म्हणतात समाधान. क्लियर. सो देअरफॉर द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ए रूट्स ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन कशी करायची मग? दॅट इज द व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ व्हेरिएबल of a given equation satisfy the given equation, then are called, that is the roots of a quadratic equation. दिलेल्या किमतीने दिलेल्या समीकरणाचे जर समाधान होत असेल तर त्याला त्या समीकरणाची उकल असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, डिटरमाइन whether the value given against the quadratic equation is a root of the equation. आहे किंवा नाही ते ठरवायचं आहे. डिटरमाइन इथे सुद्धा आपल्याला ठरवायचं आहे की ते समीकरणाची उकल आहे किंवा नाही, त्या समीकरणाची उकल आहे किंवा नाही ते ठरवायचं आहे. नाउ हियर x स्क्वेअर प्लस 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Is a quadratic equation. Now put here, put x is equal to 1. Here is given values. Put x is equal to 1, that is 1 bracket square plus 4 multiplied by 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. That is 1 square means 1 plus 4 minus 5 is equal to 0. 1 plus 4, that is 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. That is 0 is equal to 0. By means of LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore दोन्ही बाजू समान है, याचा अर्थ असा x is equal to 1 is the root of the equation, is the root of the given equation is the root of the given equation. आलं का लक्षात? तर दोन्ही बाजू किंवा असे सोडवता येतात. LHS प्रथम घ्यायचं, आलेलं उत्तर RHS दाखवायचं, अशा प्रकारे सोडवता येतं. That is LHS is equal to RHS, x is equal to 1 is the roots of the given equation. Now second, x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Again put here, put x is equal to minus 1. Here minus 1 bracket square plus 4 multiplied by minus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 1 square means only 1. Square of negative, positive. So therefore plus minus minus 4 minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus, that is 1 minus 9 is equal to 0. Minus 8 is equal to 0. So therefore minus 8 is not equal to 0. Minus 8 is not equal to 0. So therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. So therefore S is equal to minus 1 is not root of the given equation. So therefore that is LHS is not equal to RHS. दोन्ही बाजू जर समान येत नसेल तर दिलेली उकल त्या समीकरण दिलेली व्हॅल्यू त्या समीकरणाची उकल नाही. X is equal to minus 1 is not root of the given equation. Here x is equal to 1 is the root of the given equation because of LHS is equal to RHS. तर अशा प्रकारचं आपल्याला डिटरमिनंट सुद्धा करता येतं. ठीक आहे, याला म्हणतात रूट्स ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. या आधारावर प्रॅक्टिस सेट that is 2.1 you have to complete at home. Practice set 2.1 solve it at home.